afternoon, SLS, all around the country. Give it up for yourselves. I see your faces there. Make sure you clap. And you'll be clapping a lot. You'll be clapping for each other. You'll be clapping for yourselves. This is going to be a tremendous program, and everybody keeps asking me, Henry, what's the plan? What does the executive team have in store for us? Well, I got good news for you. The plan is excellent. Rory gave you a little teaser. It's not about the state of our agency, because the state of our agency is really a compilation of the state of all your individual agencies. So it's the strength. As each of your individual agencies get stronger, it makes the composite whole bigger and better. So what's going to happen right now, this year? What's going to happen is we've got to get each one of you out there as strong as you possibly can be. We've got to get you to become your best you. See, if you are the cornerstone of your agency and you're selling at a high level and your quality is at a high level and your energy and your attitude is at a high level, next thing you know, the stronger you get, you become a strong link in the chain, and that unbreakable chain of SLS goes on and on and on for another 50 years, for another 100 years. But one thing we got to look at this year is a combination of things. Do you want to be more than an agency of one? You know, a long time ago, Rory started as an agency of one. And look where we have got to at this point in our careers, at this point in our history. So now we all have a choice to make. We have to decide, do we want to be a strong agency of one? And if we do, there's never been a better time in the history of the agency to do that. Our sales system is stronger than it's ever been. Our lead system is stronger than it's ever been. And we've put ourselves in position that agents are breaking records. You're seeing it weekly and monthly and annually, writing more business individually than ever before. But some of us are thinking, well, man, hey, I'm pretty good at this. Could I somehow get other people to join my agency? So we have good news for you. There's a number of different ways that you can turn your agency of one into a multi-agent operation. You can build your own team is an option. Another option is you can coach your own team. A third option is to sponsor a team. Do any of these ways appeal to you? Well, you might say, Henry, it doesn't appeal yet because I don't know how it works. What's the benefit of building this team? If you build this team, there's a chance to have additional income, and you get a chance to hang out as a member of the $1 Million Club. We have an exciting change to announce to the format of the $1 Million Club. If you look in the newsletter in times past, you saw a lot of familiar faces there, and many of the faces that you saw leading the way on the $1 Million Club were also leading the way in your breakfast calls. So they were regional builders or divisional builders and who knows what. Well, guess what? Now, anybody out there that's hearing my voice right now, you are eligible for the $1 Million Club. All you have to do is add $1 million of ultimate business to your agency of one, either by building your own team, by coaching your own team, or by sponsoring your own team. So now you can punch your ticket to some of the MDC trips simply by coaching, building, or sponsoring. But some of you have never seen what it's like to hang out on an MDC trip. So we've put together a little video to see what's in store if you get serious about building your agency of one in 2022. Check it out.